Let's go to MIT and get some code. We'll download MicroSqueak, and we've got two images. One's called MS Image, and it's very, very small. It's popcorn sized, 64K. Compare that with like 24 megs of the image these days. So if we open up the development image, we will see basically some introductory remarks, and we can go to a browser and take a look at the classes. There are two kinds of classes in MicroSqueak: M classes, which get compiled into that tiny image, and the rest of the classes. We'll go to M system class side start, because whatever you do when you start your image, the popcorn sized image, this is what's going to happen. And it says we're going to make a file, write to it, welcome to MicroSqueak, give some benchmarks, and beep beep twice. So we go to the introductory remarks. We change InSqueak image to green image. So MicroSqueak image builder new, build new image, do that. We get a tiny little green image. If we click on that, we get a little file like we expected, which says welcome to MicroSqueak, gives you some benchmarks for the VM. And if we wanted to go back, we could see that's exactly what it was supposed to do. So that's where you get started. It's wonderful to see such a tiny image. It's such a change. There's something else here which is neat called to build the virtual machine. This is the simplest, VM builder tool you ever see. It's one line. It's going to spit out some C files which you can compile into a virtual machine. Now, unfortunately, this stuff's about 12 years old, so it's probably not good for much. But it's a good example of the smallest possible set of what you would need to build a virtual machine. There's our log text file. Yeah, we already saw that. MSQH, file prims, main, readme, so a header and some C files, and this crazy file for something called Code Warrior, which is an IDE which is totally out of date. So MicroSqueak.